Hello everyone, Nurse Nilla here. We're going to talk about hand hygiene. And the use of hand sanitizer is an effective alternative. How do you perform your hand hygiene using the hand sanitizer? We do that every day. Can you count how many times you have pulled out some hand sanitizer from your pockets, from your handbag, in your car, in your home? It is all over everywhere. But what is important is that we are doing it right. You want to put a squirt or two on your hands and vigorously rub. Rub in between. You want to ensure that the liquid or the gel cover every surface of your palm from your wrist downwards. So if your watch is on your lower wrist, you want to move that up to give you enough surface area to cover your wrist. So you want to rub in between, your fingers. Be sure to cover your nail beds and your nail beds. And you rub until the solution, the hand gel or the liquid, is thoroughly dry. That is when the use of hand sanitizer is effectively done. Should you apply hand sanitizer while wet, get a tissue paper and wipe it off? Absolutely no. You need to rub in the hand sanitizer until it is fully dry. Then it is effective in destroying the germs on your hands. Should you apply hand sanitizer and shake off your hands? No. You don't want to do that. Should you apply hand sanitizer and immediately rinse it off? No, guys, no. You want to stick to the rule. Apply your hand sanitizer, rub vigorously, cover all surface areas, your nail bed, your cuticles, in between your fingers, from your wrist down until it is dry. At that time, you have effectively destroyed those microbes. Because we are using the hand sanitizer very often these days, remember to have some hand lotion with you. Because of the alcohol agent, which is the primary agent in our hand sanitizer, it dries up the skin. So to protect your skin from drying, you want to use hand lotion after your hand sanitizer is fully dry, or you can purchase hand sanitizer that has aloe vera, which is also a helpful element to protect your skin. Should you squirt some hand sanitizer on a paper towel and use it for your hand? No, you don't want to do that, because that reduces the friction that you need to generate to enable the destruction of the germs. And lastly, you can use hand sanitizer, to disinfect surfaces. It is an antiseptic agent. It will inhibit the further production of the microbes. Can you use hand sanitizer to sanitize or to clean hard surfaces, inanimate objects? Yeah, you can do that. But remember, hand sanitizer does not effectively disinfect. It is an antiseptic agent. It will inhibit the further reproduction of microbes. A disinfectant, which is totally another topic, such as chlorine, bleach, which is a disinfectant that destroys microbes. That is recommended for hard surfaces or inanimate objects. Not a 100% bleach now. No, don't come for me. You want to mix it up. So when you want to use your bleach as a disinfectant agent, you want to mix it in water, 1 to 10. 1 cup of bleach, add that into 10 cups of water. That will give you the solution, a disinfectant solution that you can effectively use around your home on inanimate surfaces, hard surfaces, preferred than hand sanitizer, okay, on surfaces. We know that hand sanitizer is an effective antiseptic when used correctly. CDC actually has defined hand sanitizer as the preferred method of hand hygiene. So if you use it correctly, you have effectively saved yourself and the world around you.